Hey everyone, here we are in Lake Landor at 607 Wright Drive. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's check it out. So here we have the outside. It's an adorable front porch. Here we are in the kitchen. We have some nice wood floors, upgraded appliances. A cute little eat-in table fits nicely in here. Let's check out the outside. Wow, look at this large flat yard. It's fenced in, you have a shed for extra storage. And we enter into the living room here. Where we have 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. And a full bathroom. Some nice closet storage. Now here to the other side of the house, we have another living area. They're using it as an office. And here we have the primary bedroom. The laundry area. And the primary bathroom.